Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, trip computer, clock, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.